recently ordered my second Glamrdip kit and I absolutely love this stuff. However, I do have one small complaint to make in this video. For the past couple of weeks I keep seeing ads that it's Glamrdip's birthday and they had a special sale on, and if you spent so much money you would get free gifts. So I had originally went on to buy the wireless Dremel, which I absolutely loved. However, by the time I went on to pay it was out of stock, but by then I was already committed because I really wanted the colours in this kit. So it said on the ad that if you spent so much money you would get £25 worth of free gifts, and if you spent over £100 you would get £50 worth of free gifts. So I was like, right, okay, I'll just add some extra stuff in. I was going to spend more anyway because I wanted the Dremel, so I'll just buy some extra colours. As I mentioned, this is now my second kit, and let me just show you what I picked in this set. The 6 colour set, because why not, I use it all the time. I got these two, which are absolutely stunning. This is the colours I've got on at the moment. I got a clear, like a red sleigh bells one, just my kind of usual bluey green that I would wear, and then a red one with snowflakes in it for Christmas. So because you were getting more free gifts the more money you spent, I bought some extra colours to make up the money. This glittery one called Frosty, because I just can't have enough glittery nail products. And then I bought these two neon colours, which are also glow in the dark, because I just cannot stand basic nails. So at this point I had spent over £117 and I was getting over £50 worth of free gifts, and it told you that it was going to be free colours. Now, I wasn't expecting it to be anything that I would totally fall in love with, unless they sent me glitters or really bright colours, because that's my taste. But what I got was absolutely shocking. Now, first of all, they sent me a clear, which is fine. You're going to need the clear to layer your colour on, so I was absolutely happy to have that. So the first two that I got were honestly, on the grand scheme of things, not that bad. I got this Trophy and this Positivity. Now, I don't wear basic nail colours, but overall I think that this one's actually quite nice. And I'm not opening these up because I'm going to be giving them away. But this one overall is not too bad. These are very, very similar. This one's obviously got a purple undertone and this one's got a brown undertone. Now, I'm not going to wear these, but I mean, I think we can agree it's not the worst colours they could have gave me. I'm just about to show you the worst colours. I understand that a lot of the time when companies are giving away free gifts or doing mystery bundles, they're trying to get rid of old stock or items that don't sell very well. However, the other colours that I received are Moon Magic, Jet Setter and Lace. Now, I know that some people love a basic nail colour, right, and they would maybe be all over these, and that's fine. I mean, this lace one, it looks more white on camera, but it's actually like a really, really, really faint baby pink. These ones are almost identical. This one's got more of like a kind of orangey undertone, and this is like a purpley undertone. As if that's not bad enough, I got 2 of each of these. Now, had I received these plus these ones, I would have been like, right, okay, they've gave me something different. Aye, okay, I'm not going to wear them. But they're just so basic, and then the fact that they gave me 2 of each of these, I feel as if it's just an absolute slap in the face. By no means was I expecting them to go into my account and see that I had only ever bought glitters and bright colours and try and match my free gifts to my taste. That's not what I'm saying. But what I'm saying is, if you're going to give away free gifts and you're going to tell a customer, if you spend this amount of money, you'll get £25 of free gifts, and if you spend more, you'll get £50, then don't give me the same thing twice. Don't give me the same basic crap twice. What am I supposed to do with any of this? There's probably going to be people watching this and going, oh, they're really beautiful colours. Aye, they might be beautiful colours, but do I need 2 each? I deliberately went in and added in colours so that I could get the extra free gifts. And aye, okay, they could have sent me something that I didn't like, but they should not have sent me 2. I think it's an absolute joke. Let me know what you think in the comments. But anyway, back to my actual kit. The kit itself, I absolutely love. This is the second one that I've bought, and I only bought it really because I've used it so much that my base is running out basically. So instead of just buying a base, I thought I might as well go and just buy a whole other kit, because there's a lot of glitters that I like. And then when I seen the neon glow in the dark ones, I was all over them. Absolutely love this nail system, and the only problem that I've really had with it so far was the first time I applied it, it was really thick and horrible. And then from then on, I think that removing it is actually really difficult. I know that they always say, oh, you can get it off in 10 minutes, you can get it off in half an hour, but for me, it takes a long time. But other than that, I absolutely love it. It stays on for weeks. It's stunning. Like, I absolutely love these colours. And apparently they're going to be bringing out new holographic glitters. So, hello, I'm probably going to be buying another kit. But let me know in the comments, do you think it's acceptable to advertise something and say, oh, spend more money and you'll get more free gifts, and then giving you the same crap twice? Honestly, I think it's a bit of a scam. But if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye!